How to lock YouTube screen for babies. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to lock your YouTube screen for babies, go to Settings app and then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then scroll down until you find Guided Access. Go ahead and tap on it and make sure you toggle it on. Then go to Passcode Settings and toggle on your Face ID. Now tap on Set Access Guided Access Passcode and enter your passcode. Re-enter your passcode again. And now you have to go to your YouTube and then choose the video that you want to play and then uh, press on the power button 3 times and tap on guided access. And now it says circle areas on the screen you like to disable. So select the area that you want to disable and tap on start, and that's it. Now, your YouTube will be locked for the kids. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.